Babies debating AI, spilling tea, giving their hot takes. I'm sure you've seen these baby podcasts everywhere. They're hilarious, they're going viral, and they're racking up millions of views. So if you want to hop on this trend, well, you can make one too. Keep watching because by the end of this video, you're going to be able to create an AI baby podcast video of your own in 4 simple, easy to follow steps. Step 1 will be taking care of the audio. Step 2 will create our baby's image. Step 3 will animate this image. And step 4 will bring it together in an editing software. This is going to be a really fun one. So let's roll. Now, before we begin, don't forget to hit like, click subscribe, and all of these lovely things that help keep us motivated to create more videos on how you can use different AI tools. Step number 1 is creating your audio. Now, there are 2 ways that you can utilize audio for your baby podcast. You can record yourself or you can use AI audio. Now, when it comes to AI audio, you know my favorite is ElevenLabs. So let me show you quickly how you can use it. You're going to head on over to ElevenLabs.io, log in, click log into your account, and you'll get to the home page. Now, if you'd like to type out exactly what you want your character to say and have ElevenLabs generate speech, you're going to head on over to text-to-speech. Here you can type out exactly what you want the character to say. Once you've typed that out, you can go ahead and choose the voice. You'll see the voices listed here on the right. So if I click here, all of the voices are right here. You can go ahead and search for a voice if you'd like as well. There are a ton of voices to choose from. I like this one, so let's have a listen to what it sounds like.
Hi, my name is Lulu Lollipop.
It's really cute. All right, let's try this one. So I've selected it. And now when I click generate speech, ElevenLabs is going to go ahead and take the script that I've shared with it and generate speech from that using the voice that we've chosen. It'll give you 2 different generations to choose from. Let's have a listen to see what it sounds like.
Hi, I'm Baby AI, CEO of Cuteness and Conversions. Hit subscribe so I can keep making more tiny tutorials.
I like generation 2 more, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. You can use the button right here, click download, and you have your audio. Now, there are a few other options that you can use here to create audio. You can use the voice changer effect. Here you can upload your audio and go ahead and choose a voice from your list. And when you click generate, ElevenLabs will go ahead and generate the same audio, but in the voice that you've chosen.
Hi, I'm Baby AI, CEO of Cuteness and Conversions. Hit subscribe so I can keep making more tiny tutorials.
See, it uses the same audio, but it just converts it into the voice of the different character. Now, there are other products as well. You can design an entirely new voice from a text prompt. You can clone your own voice so that you just have to type out what you want to say and it'll generate the speech for you. So lots of different choices to how you can go about in creating your AI voice. Now that we have our audio, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now for step 2. This is where we're going to create the actual image of the baby that we're going to use. This is my favorite part because these babies are so adorable. How exactly do we do this? We need a baby's face. Now you can use a famous person and create a baby version of their face, or you can go ahead and use your own face and create a baby version of your face, which is what I'm going to do for this video. And for this, we're going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and upload an image of myself and add a simple prompt. Create an image of this person as a 3-year-old baby, podcasting in a studio, mic in front, headphones on, close-up image. ChatGPT will give you a result. Now you can go ahead and use that, or if you want to make tweaks, you can go ahead and edit it using ChatGPT itself. Just go ahead and tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to be changed. Now you can go ahead and use any image generation tool. Lately, ChatGPT has been my favorite. It's been giving me really great results, so I've been using it more and more. I also find that it's the easiest one to edit if I want to make changes. So for that reason, it's been my go-to. But of course, you can go ahead and use whichever one you want. Once you're happy with the image, we're going to to move on to step 3. Okay, step 3. This is where we're going to breathe life into our baby. Head on over to Hedra. Now, why Hedra? Well, you might have noticed that I've been talking about Hedra a lot in my previous videos, and that's because Hedra gives great results. The lip sync is on point, it's fast, it's affordable, and it does a really great job. Head on over to Hedra, and once you're in, log in, and then you're going to go ahead and upload your audio. Then upload the image of the baby that you've just created, and add a simple prompt like, make the baby talk and gesture like she's hosting a podcast.
Hi! I'm Baby AI, CEO of Cuteness and Conversions. Hit subscribe so I can keep making more tiny tutorials.
And look at that. Our baby podcast is almost ready. Step 4 is optional. It's totally up to you. If you want to go ahead and edit the video that you've created, you can add captions if you like, and that'll make the video a lot more dynamic. If you're creating a podcast where 2 babies are talking to each other, this is where you can take both clips and add them side by side. Step 4 is really about getting to that perfection level so you get that ultimate podcast that you're trying to create. Now all you have to do is export it, upload it onto your favorite platform, and you're ready to go viral. This is just one example of what's possible with AI right now. If you want to keep learning about AI and different tools that you can use, different things that you can do, well, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.